What's going on, guys? I'm just gonna highlight a very popular brand in the store. It's Majorcraft. We have a lot of products from them, mainly jigs, a couple rods. They pretty much have stuff for every species that we fish for around here in the Northeast and, around the country and the world. So they have slow pitch style jigs. They go from very small up to 100 grams. It's a 60 gram, I believe. They have more slender profile jigs, like the Jet, that kind of mimics like a sand eel. They have the tuna jigs, like a speed jig. A couple awesome colors on them too. Take a look at those. Then we got the big guys, the tilefish jigs, your grouper jigs. These are big heavy ones. They go up to 400 grams, I believe we have them too. Some of those. Another cool thing that they have are tungsten jigs, and tungsten is denser than lead, so you can get a smaller profile, the same weight jig. So here's like a comparison. Here's a 40 gram tungsten slow pitch jig next to a regular 40 grams, a lot smaller profile. And also they make them in this style, which is really cool for tuna or any other bottom species. You want to get a small jig pretty deep. Like for instance, this is a 180 gram jig. This is a 120. It's a very small profile. See, that's almost a 200 gram jig. You could fit in the palm of your hand. And they also make a lot of assist hooks. Little stuff with skirts on them for your sea bass and bottom fish. Like little rear assist hooks and naked assist hooks. We also have some rods. They're made to fish, a lot of these jigs, especially the smaller stuff. Some cool spinning rods. We have some conventional rods as well. Here's a couple of them. This one mounts a 6'4". It's a 80 to 180 gram jig rod. So here's another one. Just look at some of the products that they have. This is a long one. This is a 7'9". This is rated to 25 grams. This is like a lighter kind of a short jigging rod. So we have tuna jigging rods and other stuff available. So come to the store, check them out. We got plenty of stock and we're always adding new stuff. Thanks, guys.